The iconic Italian brand is now returning to the small car market with this new SUV called Junior. The Alfa Romeo Junior was unveiled on April 10, 2024 as the Alfa Romeo Milano. It took less than a week for the car to be renamed as the Junior in an unprecedented move that followed a legal storm in Italy over the Milano being named after Milan yet built in Poland. An Alfa Romeo is based on the perfect balance between functional beauty and an unparalleled heritage, making it the epitome of Italian style in the automotive field. The new Junior is definitely no exception, as its compact dimensions, a length of 4.17 meters, width of 1.78 meters, and height of 1.5 meters. It features a completely distinctive design that is far more aggressive compared to other small SUVs on the market. The deep air intakes in the bumper, combined with Alfa's signature Trefoil grille, make the Junior truly stand out. The car also sports an eye-catching 20-inch 4-spoke alloy wheel. Black cladding around the wheel arches enhances its muscular stance, while the sloping roofline contributes to its sporty appearance. The rest of the design is far more agreeable, with simple organic surfacing, muscular fender flares and rear haunches, blacked-out D-pillars, optional black roof, and an inverted U-shaped black bar at the rear that integrates the triple L-shaped taillight graphic. Inside, the Junior sets itself apart from other Stellantis models with a sporty steering wheel and a gauge cluster housing featuring a distinctive telescopic design including a 10.3-inch display. The central 10.3-inch touchscreen is angled towards the driver, and the outermost air conditioning vents are styled like four-leaf clover found on the brand's quadrifoglio badge. The entry-level Junior Electrica gets the typical 154 brake horsepower motor setup, allowing up to a claimed 255 miles of range and delivering a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 9 seconds. The Junior Electrica Speciale meanwhile features a punchier front-mounted 237 brake horsepower motor. This should cut the 0 to 62 miles per hour time down to about 7 seconds, as well as the range to nearer 215 miles. Finally, the range-topping Junior Electrica 280 Veloce ups the ante by delivering 278 brake horsepower and 345 Nm of torque. 0 to 62 miles per hour takes 5.9 seconds in the Junior Electrica 280 Veloce, which is exactly the same sprint time as the revised Volkswagen Golf GTI hot hatch. Top speed is 124 miles per hour. The petrol-powered version of the car is called the Junior Ibrida. It gets 134 brake horsepower, 1.2-liter 3-cylinder petrol engine and a 28 brake horsepower electric motor integrated into the 6-speed automatic gearbox, allowing the car to run on electricity alone around 50% of the time in town. The starting price of the EV is £33,895. This places it a bit higher than the mechanically similar Fiat 600e and nearly on par with the Volvo EX30.